Yeah, it feels lighter than it did before. Shoes by the door, I'm counting breaths. A blank page waiting on the floor. Not empty, just full of mess. I've walked this street 1,000 times. Something's pulling me ahead. Every doubt is standing in line with all the things I haven't said. My hands are shaking, but I'm smiling. Every beat says don't turn back. I don't need all the answers, just the courage that I have. I'm stepping out just like this, not running, but I won't miss the chance that's calling my name. I'm moving forward anyway. The mirror knows the look I wear. Hope mixed with a little fear. If I fall, I'll land somewhere closer than I was last year. My hands are standing still, I'm smiling. Every beat says trust the spark. I don't need all the answers, just a reason to start. I'm stepping out just like this. Breathing in, I won't resist the chance that's calling my name. I'm moving forward unafraid. I stumble then I learn to soar. Every step is opening doors. I'm not who I was before. I'm ready now for more. I'm stepping out, stronger now. I don't know when, I know how. The chance is calling my name. I'm moving forward, lit with flame. I'm stepping out, this is me. Heart wide open, eyes can't see the chance I've been waiting to claim. I'm moving forward, start the frame.
I watch you circle dates on borrowed time. Coffee cups grew cold, lists that wouldn't sleep. Laughing at the rain that tried to interfere. Every promise folded carefully. Measured words, measured space, measured dreams. Every choice aligned like city lights. I learned your silences, your subtle signs. How love moves when it's built to last. I step back, let the moment breathe. Hands unseen, still guiding gently. This is your day, drawn in real colors. Every step lands where it's meant to be. I've traced the lines, erased the doubts. Now it's your turn to simply be. I'm standing close but out of sight, watching love arrive on time. Final checks, the quiet before the sound. Heartbeat sinking with the room. What we planned is now unfolding like a song that finally blooms. No reveal. seasons, no reruns now. Just trust the flow. You already know this is your day. Nothing borrowed. Every glance says we're ready now. All the hours, all the care turned into air. You're breathing out. I won't lead, I won't decide. I just believe you'll fly. The air may turn a little unscripted. Voices shake, the timing bends. Those aren't flaws in the design. That's love learning how to expand. This is your day, alive and moving. Every sound feels honestly true. I held the frame, you paint the rest. That's all I ever meant to do. From here on out, it's all yours. Every open door, this is your day. Keep it shining. Carry it beyond these walls. I'll stay behind the scenes you leave, cheering every time you call. Not goodbye, just letting go. To watch your forever glow.
Neon stains the window pane. Your breath cuts through the noise. We don't talk about the truth. We let the silence choose. Your eyes avoid my name like it's already known. Every lie we never say feels dangerously close. Crowded room, we stand alone. Skin against the doubt. Every touch is asking things we're too scared to shout. I don't need a promise, I don't need a sign.